and welcome to this video on mind mapping to achieve better fluency at speaking. Are you someone who struggles with organizing your thoughts? Do you find it challenging to articulate your ideas coherently and confidently? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, we will talk about how mind mapping can help you organize your thoughts and speak fluently and confidently. Let's start with what is mind mapping. So, mind mapping is a technique to visually organize information. It involves creating a diagram to represent ideas, words, tasks, or other items arranged around a central keyword or idea. Mind mapping helps to generate and organize ideas, create association between different pieces of information, and connect related concepts. How does mind mapping help in speaking? Well, mind mapping can be a powerful tool to help you speak fluently and confidently. Here are some ways in which mind mapping can help you. Number one, organize your thoughts. Mind mapping allows you to organize your thoughts in a logical and structured way. By creating a visual representation of your ideas, you can easily see the connections between different concepts and ensure that your speech flows smoothly. Number two, identify key points. When you create a mind map, you can identify the key points that you want to communicate. This helps you to stay focused and on track while speaking. Number three is brainstorm ideas. So mind mapping is a great way to brainstorm ideas. By creating a mind map, you can quickly generate new ideas and explore different possibilities. Number four is memorize information. When you create a mind map, you are more likely to remember the information. This can be especially useful when giving a speech or presentation. How do you create a mind map? Well, creating a mind map is a simple and easy process. Number one, start with a central idea or keyword related to your topic. Number two, add branches to the central idea and write down related concepts or ideas. Number three is use colors, images, and symbols to represent different ideas and concepts. Number four, connect related concepts with lines and arrows. Number five, connect and add the branches and sub-branches as needed to create and complete a mind map. In conclusion, mind mapping is a powerful tool. This can help you organize your thoughts and speak fluently and confidently. By creating a visual representation of your ideas, you can easily see the connection between different concepts and ensure that your speech flows smoothly. So the next time you need to give a speech or a presentation, try creating a mind map to help you organize your thoughts and speak more confidently. Thank you for watching.